Hey guys, today we're back at SSP. Finally got one good day of weather so we can work outside a little bit. I got this 2000, this is a 15 Forester. Got much in the front, much in the rear. But the good thing is none of the airbags deployed. I don't know how. But I got another car that I'm fixing that's got cloth interior. It's the same exact year. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys how to remove the door panels. I know we've had a lot of people asking how to remove the door panels or door cards. So I'm gonna show you guys how to remove the door panels on each door individually, and then we'll go ahead and do the same the other door and then other car, and then we'll put these door panels, door cards back on the other car. It's super easy to take off, so I'm gonna show you guys. There's a cover right here. If you pick the cover open, there's a screw in here. It's like one of these screws. Pull this screw out. Obviously someone's already pulled it out for me. And then you got this cover here. There's a little, I don't know if I can show you, let me pull it off. You get a little pick or even a flathead, you can just pull on this cover comes off. There you go. There's a little right here to stick a flathead and just pop it up like this, and this thing will come out, this cover. Once that cover comes out, there's two screws, one here and one here. Someone's already taken these screws out for me too. I don't know why, but there's one screw there, and one screw here. These three screws basically hold the door panel on the door. Other than that, it's held on by a bunch of white clips. Grommets, clips, I don't know what you would call it, but find the spot in the door area where you can grab, you know, and pull on. Or if you can get a flathead, get behind one of the door cards. And just get your hands back there and just give it a snug. You see how it just pops? It feels like you're breaking it, but you're not. Those pop noises you're hearing, I'll show you what those are. Once you can pop the clips from the back, this thing is going to slide up because there's a lip right here. Slide it up and over. Just don't yank it because there's cables and stuff hooked up to it. Come around this side so I can show you. Got these cables here. If you just push them out, they come out really easily, and you can't mix them up because one's bigger than one's smaller, and they only go in one way. Disconnect this cable back here. It's a little push pin, and then the most hardest part, believe it or not, is unplugging these guys. This was pretty easy because you can see the little push pin. I don't know why Subaru turned these upside down. The pins on this back side, it's so hard to get to. Let's see. I take my pick so I can get to this guy right here. This guy is going to be a little tough, but let's see if I can get behind it. I'll show you guys what I'm doing once I get it out. It makes more sense. Voila. So, if you look right here, this guy right here, I can't, for the life of me with my fingers, push this, especially when it's sitting this way. To get underneath here, it's very hard. So get a pin, pick like this, and just push it, and then pull it out. That's the hard part, is getting these out. Now, remember those noises it was making, those clip, clip, clip noises? These clips are left behind. Let me pull these off. Okay. Now on the door panel, if you look right here, you get these guys. See these guys? These are the guys that hold all these darn clips. They'll hold the door panel pretty much on the door. There, that's a full set. So that's how I take the driver's side door panel off. I'm gonna show you guys how to put this back on. But we're gonna do it on the other car because these are nice leather ones, and why not put these on instead of having the other style? So I'm gonna put this aside. We're gonna get to the other doors now.